here. The difference is that everything upgraded. What's so funny? I didn't know. Cooking Chinese hot pot. And Disney.
Potato.
What do you think? Squeeze this in.
Is that like a noodle or what is that?
That's bamboo.
Bamboo.
Ah. So first we're gonna pick some hot pot packages. Let's see what they have here. So many options. Getting this Liu Yishou hot pot base because this is a beef tallow one. That's the one I actually make at home. Might probably better, but this is a good brand. Tomato one I'm getting for the other side of the pot. Can I have 5 pounds of the bones? Thank you. Got the bone here. Here in the frozen area, I'm getting some frozen fish balls and shrimp balls.
Wagyu.
Yeah.
Oh, they have ribeye.
So get some ribeye now. Need a lot of meat. Look at this new cabin. Wow, the space is much bigger and brand new layout. This is not a door. I'm trying to open this door, but this is like a top to ceiling windows. Get a lot of natural lighting here. Over here, this is actually a bed. Wow, you pull it down, it's a bed. And then look at the bedroom here. The bunk beds is much nicer. Are you eating candy already? Yeah! And the bedroom have more closet space over here, and there's a closet you can hang your coats even. More drawers, more storage. Nice. And I like the bedroom has windows on the top. The cabin, old cabin, so dark. Too much brighter, much more modern. And the bathroom here, it's updated. This even have a little powder room area. You can wash your hands. In the main bathroom here, the shower definitely is a big upgrade. Sliding doors, nice tiles, newer, bigger shower heads. I love the new one, definitely better. Even the bathroom has a window up here, much brighter. This kitchen is perfect for me to cook hot pot or any food. When you open the cabinet here, oh, brand new glasses, even mason jar, and the nice plates, the dishes for baking. And the bottom here, I'm surprised, they have actual brand new pots and pans. Toaster, of course, Disney coffee, and the coffee maker. I can prepare everything inside, and outside on the patio, yeah, I can set up the hot pot tomorrow. Exterior, still like a cabin with wood panels, but much more modern feel. And you're still in the woods, kind of so many trees, you feel like you're far away from the city. I'm just so excited climbing the cabin. Is this worth the price? For a family who want to experience Disney camping, this is kind of camping you want to do. No bugs, no pee in the woods. Yes, that's me. I'm not so outdoorsy, so this is perfect for my family. And I have a real kitchen. Yes, the answer is definitely worth the price. You should try. And leave a comment below here. What's your experience? Do you like it? You're an indoorsy or outdoorsy person? I'm certainly indoor and I'm allergic to bees, so perfect for me. The preparation for hot pot is super easy. I just wash and chop the vegetables here right on cabin, no cooking. And all the guests to do the cooking for you, for themselves. Now I'm just chopping some ginger, green onions, add more flavor, and washing all the vegetable, prepare them. I have a whole other 2 video, make the hot pot base from scratch. Check out link down below. I brought my own bone broth and made at home. You can use, boil some hot water, yeah. You can also buy the beef stock ready to use from store. Much easier, right, for camping. Oh, I'm just fancy and save money. So now I'm making a classic Sichuan dipping sauce for hot pot. Really simple. Sesame oil. I need a lot of garlic. And some oyster sauce. I think I forgot it. This is the only chopstick I brought today. Forgot for the guests. They have to use fork. This is for me. And then some cilantro, if you like. Or see me add a lot. Mostly this dipping sauce is a lot of sesame oil. Also, I love some vinegar because when it's spicy food, you dip in here, actually reduce the heat with the vinegar. So good. Here is tofu skin, one of my favorite things to eat for hot pot. And we got bamboo, so many different kind of mushrooms. Just lay them nicely on the plate. So now I'm making a soup base. One side is beef tallow base. Let's open this. Hello, 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 making hot pot. You're gonna have a spicy side or a non-spicy side? All right?
Spicy.
Not spicy? This is really spicy, this side. We are gonna squeeze this in on one side. Super easy.
I said hi.
Color looks great. Since we have a big pot, I have 2 packages to put in. And this side is non-spicy tomato base. Oh, this is more like a liquid. When the sauce is melted, I add more Sichuan peppercorn and dried pepper, get the flavor, even more Sichuan flavor. Then add green onions and ginger, and tomato side, add more fresh tomato. Get that tomato soup cooking. I know, Scott already scared. Scared right now?
I'm scared. Isn't it nice? Oh, very nice.
So half
Ooh, that's
spicy,
fancy.
half is not. Don't.
I want the
just-
spicy half. Which
Just
one's
the
spicy?
tomatoes not spicy.
No,
They
yeah,
look
yeah.
red,
Everybody like and subscribe.
Everyone
Yes!
likes and subscribe
Subscribe to the hot pot.
to the hot pot.
So, you know, only thing I forgot?
I like it.
Chopsticks. This is the only pair.
You got one pair?
One pair. I was gonna bring the disposable one.
I
Forgot.
got
You
one.
guys have to eat with fork. Yeah.
Great.
I was telling her I'm eating spicy.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Deep fry. That's the top of the oil, the hottest part. How's that?
So good.
You gotta.
Is that like a noodle or what is that?
That's bamboo.
Bamboo.
Ah.
Like the plant?
Yeah.
You can eat bamboo?
Yes. You're a panda, right?
Yes, I am a panda.
Yeah, I'm from the hometown
If
panda.
pandas
So we
eat bamboo,
Wow.
Oh,
if pandas
add
eat
more.
bamboo, then
First time authentic.
Yeah, authentic.
Real deal.
Real deal here. Let's see if you sweat.
I'm not gonna sweat.
Good? Not too spicy? Maybe 30
No.
seconds?
No.
You start sweating? No? Yeah. There it is. Yeah, try the bamboo.
This will taste like.
Tastes like a
You want to sit
bamboo.
here? Well, I don't know. Is
say.
that similar?
What do I need to do?
How's the bamboo first time? Good? Tastes like bamboo?
Bamboo.
You're officially a panda.
No panda.
Panda here.
Little panda hubby.
What?
Yeah. Turning everybody into panda here. Oh, hot.
Oscar, are you?
This hot pot base is good. Spicy, but not too spicy. 筷子，你要不要吃我的？ Oh, this tofu skin.
Oh, tofu.
Right,
More
Juliet.
protein.
Ah. I'll go wipe my shirt off after we eat. It'd be what it be.
Oh, that's his burger.
This one.
Cooking Chinese hot pot at
Sydney
Disney.
potato.
What do you think?
Again.
Funny.
did you steal my fork?
You want a piece of meat from in there?
好不好吃啊，宝宝？
Right here. Which one's this that you just put in there? She brought a
International.
and she brought your book and she says CookingBomb. She'll sign it. Like sure, she will.
Of course. 算打个结嘛。Okay, let's get the bag. Now we are go trick or treating with the kids. Kiki delivery service. What are you delivering? Wow. Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! 杰涵，你有没有拿到糖啊 ？Happy Halloween! Oh, the band.
Unbelievable. this.
Look at the golf carts.
Guys, what? Juliet!
你就拿一个，人家说谢谢，宝。
I feel like we should go get drinks there.
Oh, shower! My God. What's the candy?
Dum dum.
Dum dum. 哦，你拿什么糖
Lollipop.
Lollipop. Good morning from Wildness. See, someone's making coffee for me. And the kids, so much candy on the table, packing up, leaving today. Finally got my coffee. The Hotpot party last night is so much fun. I made everyone very spicy. That spicy smell, I still probably wake up the neighbors. I, dump out the leftovers in the garbage bag, wake them up. I always say we don't need a fancy kitchen, right? We can cook Chinese food anywhere. We cook in the hotel with rice cooker, and here cabin, cook in the woods, hot pot, right?
Yeah.
So when we travel, we can always eat Chinese food. I forgot chopsticks yesterday for everybody. I only have my one pair. That's my pair I always put in my purse. We are here for you every week. Show you what we're doing, what I cook, recipes, travel, home life, always eating Chinese food. Last week is the girl's birthday, Ghibli food. Go check that out too. I will see you on next Saturday. 对吧？拜拜，下次再见，宝宝。